Welcome, here I've got REALME C21Y, and let me show you how to turn on and off camera watermark at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard capture mode. From here let's go to right corner button to open camera settings. And now in photo settings category we can find add logo watermark option and add time watermark option. So by using these two buttons from the right we can easily turn them on and off as we need. Now let me keep them turned on. Let's move back to camera to take a photo to see these watermarks at the real picture. Now let's move to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my photo with watermarks at the center, at the bottom. We can get closer to them here, and we have REALME shot on REALME C21Y watermark logo 1, in the second line the timestamp. And of course when we don't need them or need just one of them, we have to move back to camera, to right corner settings, and manage these buttons as we need or just turn them off. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.